A stock transfer order is used in SAP to move materials between plants within the same company or across company codes. It allows us to manage both logistics and financial aspects in an integrated way. There are two main scenarios: intra-company STO, where both plants belong to the same company code, and intercompany STO, where plants belong to different company codes and require billing. The process starts with creating a stock transport order using document type UB. The supplying plant acts as a vendor, and the receiving plant is the customer. The system determines the supplying plant automatically based on configuration in specific procurement key or master data settings. For execution, we typically use a delivery-based process. We create an outbound delivery with VL10B, then perform picking and goods issue using VL02N. And this step post-movement type 641, which reduces stock in the supplying plant and creates stock in transit. Once the material is shipped, the receiving plant typically gets an inbound delivery, which is often created automatically based on outbound delivery. When the material arrives, the warehouse keepers post goods received with movement type 101, which updates inventory. In intra-company STO, there is no accounting posting at goods issue, but stock is reduced in the supplying plant and moved to stock in transit until it is received. In intercompany STO, the process also includes billing and invoice verification. The supplying company codes issues an invoice, and the receiving side posts it through mirror transaction, creating the financial documents. From a configuration and master data perspective, STO requires several key elements. First, we define the document type UB and assign the supplying plant as a vendor and the receiving plant as a customer using internal master data. For delivery-based STO, it is important to maintain shipping data in the material masters, such as loading group, and ensure the correct settings in the plant and shipping point determination. We also configure the delivery type NL and ensure the correct in-movement type like 641 and 101 are assigned. In addition, the confirmation control key can be used in the STO item to manage inbound delivery creation and tracking. Proper integration between MM and SD is required for the delivery process, and MMFI integration ensures correct stocks and valuation postings. Without correct master data and organization assignments, the STO process will not work end-to-end. In my projects, STO is widely used to support centralized procurement and distribution models. It helps optimize inventory, reduce stock imbalances, and ensure material availability across multiple plants.